Hi sewing friends. Today is a Sunday and I usually sew things for my family on Sundays. So I'm working on a couple of shirts for my daughters and I wanted to talk about trying to create something with scraps from a scrap pack. So I got these gorgeous fabrics from Blended Thread. I believe it's blendedthread.com. I'll link to them. But they had a scrap bundle sale, and so you don't know what you're getting, but you get a big bundle of scrap fabrics for like an amazing price, and they're the offcuts from when they're cutting yardage. So look at this, isn't this fabulous? There's like a little bear and elk and fox and, oh, this is the elk here. This other one is a deer. So I love it, but it's not big enough to make a shirt. So what I'm going to do is color block. So this is a cool pattern for kids from Ellie Dactyl. This is her logo. And this is called Ellie Dactyl 5K. When she hit 5,000 Facebook group members, she made this pattern available for free. So if you join her Facebook group, you can find the code in the announcements and you can head to her website and grab this pattern, or you can buy the pattern. But it has a color block option. See here, it says color blocked option on this pattern piece. So I will cut with another blended thread fabric the top part of the shirt for my little 5-year-old, and then I will cut the bottom part of the shirt from this fabric. And so the top part with the shoulders and the sleeves will be this gray fabric, and the bottom part will be the animal fabric. So that's a great way to use up scraps or use fabrics that you got in a scrap pack that you're just not sure what to do with. So and this is actually the size 12 pattern that I cut out last night for my 11-year-old. So the pieces will actually be smaller. But I'll show you what I did for her. Again, with blended thread fabrics. I have it all clipped together to sew the shoulder seam. But these are bamboo. They are so soft. And they're not sponsoring this video, by the way. I just love their fabrics for clothing. But I got this strip of pineapples, and it's not big enough to make a shirt. So then I also got a strip, 2 strips actually I got of this linen look. So I sewed it to the bottom and the top of the pineapples. Actually what I did was I just cut out the top of the shirt with this color block piece, and the front and back, and then I sewed the black to the pineapples and cut out the lower part of the shirt. Then I sewed the pieces together, and then I went over it with my cover stitch on my little brother machine. And so now it looks like it's intentional, like this is how we purposely designed the shirt. So now I just have to sew these shoulder seams that I have clipped together, and I'll be ready to put the arms in. So, but yeah, I just wanted to give you an idea of what you can do with some scrap pack fabrics and still get a whole garment out of them. So happy sewing! Thanks for watching.